We are Monkey Spray, JA Company of 2014. We are an accessory company.
Yo, bling, bling.
We sell headbands, phone cases, bands, rings, bottle smuggies, bags and chains. Our values as employees of Monkey Spray are respect, honesty, customer individuality, premium quality, customer satisfaction. By providing fashionable, high-quality products through hard work, cooperation, and dedication to the youth of our society, we aim to ensure good service and maintain customer satisfaction.
We at Monkey Spray promote individuality. Just be yourself.
Prices and more information will be in the description.
Monkey Spray. You're unique, your style, your design.